You saw the setup. It was clean. It matched your rules. You've taken this trade before, and you didn't take it. You hesitated. You waited for more confirmation. You told yourself to be patient. You wanted to be sure. Just one more candle, just a little more proof, just something to make it feel safer. And then it moved fast. Now you're watching the exact trade you planned without you. And it's frustrating because this wasn't random. You knew this one. So why didn't you take it? Most traders think hesitation means they lack confidence, that they need more experience, more screen time, a better strategy. But that's not what's happening. You don't hesitate because you don't know. You hesitate because you care. In that moment, right before you enter, your brain isn't focused on the setup. It's focused on the outcome, on being wrong, on the trade failing immediately after you enter, on how it will feel to take another loss. And your brain does what it's designed to do. It protects you. It tells you to wait, to get more confirmation, to reduce the risk, to avoid the discomfort, to feel safer. But trading doesn't reward safety. It rewards execution. Because the best trades don't feel comfortable. They feel uncertain. They feel like they could fail. That tension you feel, that hesitation, that's the trade. That's the exact moment your edge shows up. And most traders miss it, not because they don't see it, but because they can't tolerate how it feels. So they wait. And in waiting, the opportunity disappears. Or worse, they chase it after it's already moved. Now your entry is worse, your risk is worse, and your decision is emotional. All because you hesitated at the right moment. The traders who take those trades aren't fearless. They just don't need to be right. They don't need certainty. They don't need the trade to work. They just need to follow their process. That's the difference. Because hesitation isn't a strategy problem. It's a control problem. You're trying to remove uncertainty before you act, but you can't. Uncertainty is the trade, and your edge only exists if you act inside it, not after it disappears. Your edge doesn't come from perfect timing. It comes from consistent execution, taking the trade when it meets your criteria, not when it feels safe, because it will never feel safe. So the goal isn't to remove hesitation. The goal is to act despite it. You see the setup, you take the trade, you accept the outcome. Win or lose, that's the job. And until you can do that, you'll keep watching your best trades happen without you.